From catastrophic excavator accidents that left operators questioning their careers, to genius bulldozer masters pulling off impossible maneuvers that defy physics, these are the most mind-blowing heavy machinery moments brought to you by Tech Vision Center. But as the video goes on, the clips get increasingly more insane until we reach the most jaw-dropping moments of the video. Starting with this amphibious excavator that defied all engineering logic by floating on water. The Hitachi ZX-130 was designed for swamp operations, but this brilliant operator turned it into the ultimate aquatic digger, proving that skill knows no boundaries. Although that floating excavator mastered water operations perfectly, the same versatility couldn't be said about this Brooklyn demolition scene, where raw power takes center stage. The NYPD's Caterpillar D9H bulldozer crushes confiscated dirt bikes into scrap metal, while amazed crowds film the systematic destruction of their phones. While that bulldozer needed brute force for destruction, this canal repair required surgical precision instead. Watch as this John Deere dozer equivalent to a D6 single-handedly stops a dangerous water leak, filling the canal break with perfect timing and placement. Clearly, this canal repair master needed years to perfect his craft. Just like this plantation cleanup operator who makes land clearing look effortless. The Cat D7, our bulldozer, transforms abandoned, overgrown terrain into usable land, proving it's the most suitable dozer for massive clearing operations. And by the way, if you've been enjoying this so far, make sure to subscribe to Tech Vision Center, like the video, and drop a comment below about your favorite moments of this compilation. Although that D7 handled vegetation with ease, this BOMAG demonstration required something far more spectacular. The 125,000-pound BC 1173RB 5 landfill compactor crushed 2 cars at their Innovation Days event, showcasing raw crushing power to 240 dealer representatives and customers in South Carolina. While that compactor demolished cars for demonstration, this tree removal operation demands perfect ground conditions and technique. The operator ensures the ground isn't too dry or muddy while the specialized device grabs trees and pulls them up by their extensive root systems that often extend deeper underground than above. Jake Hatch of Black Sheep Skid represents the top 1% of skid steer operators worldwide. His incredible skills allow him to accomplish what many operators can't, turning the machine into an extension of his mind and body. Notice how he loads a Bobcat skid steer onto a flatbed truck without any ramps whatsoever. Although Jake's skills were flawless, the same couldn't be said about this JCB excavator accident in Nepal, where inexperience met dangerous terrain. The operator wasn't skilled enough for the slippery slope conditions, though fortunately nobody was harmed in this dramatic mishap. While that inexperienced operator struggled with slopes, this excavator master shows how patience and precision pay off. Watch as this skilled operator carefully digs out a massive rock blocking the road, being extremely cautious not to let it fall down, but strategically push it aside. Clearly, this rock removal required incredible finesse, just like this logging operation where coordination becomes everything. The loader and trucker work in perfect harmony, unhitching the truck, setting up the rack, and loading massive logs while demonstrating the skill required to release and raise the back section. Although that logging crew master teamwork, this John Deere 850J shows what individual power can accomplish. Watch as this bulldozer pushes trees effortlessly during yard cleaning operations, removing both the trees and their extensive trunk systems from the ground with remarkable ease. While that John Deere cleared trees efficiently, this Caterpillar 826G tackles a completely different challenge at a trash processing plant. Equipped with Caron transfer station wheels and DSU trash blade, this machine crushes trash with its specialized metal wheels to make waste more compact for processing. Clearly, trash compacting requires specialized equipment. Unlike this repowered Cat D 11N with C27 engine that moves massive amounts of dirt like it's nothing. This beast demonstrates why proper engine upgrades can transform heavy machinery performance beyond original specifications. Although that D11 can move dirt with brute force, this Komatsu excavator demonstrates pure finesse instead. Watch as this machine gets itself onto a truck without any external help, using skill and precise maneuvering to climb on top through calculated movements. While that self-loading excavator showed incredible skill, this Bulldozer TG 120 tackles forest terrain to create essential infrastructure. The operator carefully works through dense forest conditions to carve out a single-lane car road, opening access to previously unreachable areas. Clearly forest road building requires patience, just like this coal mining operation where efficiency becomes paramount. Watch as this mega dumper gets loaded in the coal mine, demonstrating the scale of industrial mining operations and heavy equipment coordination. Although that mining operation moved massive volumes. This BOMAG machine shows what happens when heavy metal wheels meet ordinary vehicles. The specialized metal wheels crushed the car completely, though rumors say that Toyota's air conditioning system somehow survived until the very end. While that car crushing was pure destruction, this road grading operation represents precision engineering at its finest. The Komatsu GED 825A operator shapes quarry roads with surgical accuracy, creating perfect surfaces for heavy dump trucks in challenging terrain conditions.